Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to put Google Photos on a flash drive. So firstly, let me connect my flash drive to the PC. Here we go. And right here I already made two folders, first and second, because we have two options how to save them. The first one is to go to the browser, then you need to write Google Photos, sign in into your account or swipe. I want to use this account, and the first option is to select first photo, then press the shift and then select the latest photo, and you select some photos. You can select all of them. I don't want to do this because it's too long. After that, after you select a photo what you need to click at the three dots at the right top and click download. And now we have a zip file. Open it and you can extract all photos to the flash drive. And let's move it to the first folder. Now let's check it, as we have it. And right here we have all photos and videos what I select. The second option, this one is option better if you have a lot of photos or you want to save all of them. I recommend it to use Google Takeout service. You need to open the link and sign in into your account. And again, I have another account, so I want to swap on it. Now, click deselect all, because we need to save photos only from Google Photos. We don't need to save information on another Google services. Now you need to scroll down and you need to find Google Photos. So let's do this. Right here we have it. First you need to click on the check mark. Now, what the most important, click all photos. Right now it select all photos to save. So if you don't need all photos, you click deselect all and select which photo you wanna save. So let's say I wanna save photos from 2022. We can also select some another folders. So click OK, but if you want to select all of them, so you will have this by default and you don't need to change nothing. Okay, now we need to scroll down and select next step. So we'll use the link on the email, export once, file type zip. Now, file size. So if you want to save all your photos, you can select more than 2 giga. You can select 4, 10 or 50 gigabytes, but 2 giga it's okay for me because I don't have a lot of photos here. So after you select file size, click create export and it will send the mail with these photos on your Gmail account. So we need to sign in into Gmail account. Gmail. Now I'm going to select another account and right here we have it. So click at the link and download it. Okay, we have it. You can also install the second one, but in the second one we have nothing interested. We can check it, but yeah. So open your first link and now we can select it. So I don't need JSON file, only JPEG. I select it, and then I can save it to the second my folder. Okay, now let's check this folder, and we have this photo here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!